Hey, we're here at the Carl's Jr. It's Tuesday night. We got some hot rods, we got classic, we got some late model muscle cars. We got, how many cars do we have, Gary?
64.
64, and this is the OC car guy right here. Gary, what do you want to tell the audience for future?
We're about, what, 36 cars from 100. We need to get 100 cars tonight.
I have good faith that we're going to do it.
I do too.
Yeah.
Beautiful weather.
Yeah.
Nice evening. 10% off any food you buy at Carl's Jr.
That's reason enough.
That's it. Don't cook. Come on down.
Right. All right, Gary, I'm going to walk around.
Okay, Dano.
All right, that's Gary Brown. He puts on this every Tuesday night, unless it's raining. We'll do this all year long. So let's go see who's all in attendance. We got John in the 67 Chevelle Super Sport. Real hot rod. He grabs gears and pushes pedals. Yeah. We got the late model RT right there. And my latest Facebook friend right back there. Yay! Look at this. We're stacked. We got the Hemi. Look at that. We stacked up, huh? Wow. Look at this. We got, what is it? It's a Belvedere, GTX or what? Look at that. Whoa, we got Mopar Row right here. Wow, huh? That's got a Hemi in it. Look at this. Man, they brought two cars. Orange Monster, GTX. Cool. Everybody wants to help Gary get to that 100. Look at that. We got some cars. And I got this little Chevy truck. I think it's for sale. 54. And a Jaguar, late model Camaro. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Good. We got another RT, late model Charger, a 44. Roy Ray. 44 that is. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. 56 Bel Air, 55 Post, 57 Bel Air. How about that? The big three. The Tri-Fives right there. Let's see what else we got. On a Corvette. Look at that. I'm going to go out on a limb right now. That might be the best under construction right there. I don't know. I don't have any influence. But that just might be. We'll see how it all pans out. And of course, we got the Corvair van down there. Gary's classic at Carl's Jr. Classic car show that is. Every Tuesday, 4 to 8, all year long. Look at this, huh? We got some fat fender Chevys and Fords. We got a detailer on premises. 60 Chevy wagon. Look at this. Oldsmobile wagon. Simulated wood. I guess we could call that simulated woody. We got the fellas hanging out, telling stories. Volkswagen, a Humble 2. Another one, 54 Chevy. Yeah, with a Post. What up, fellas? What's going on? What up, huh? Well, you eyeballing that, huh? Yeah. I guess the question would be, would you rather be blown or injected, huh? Or stroked, that too, huh? Man. Yeah, and we got the Vincent's 37 straight wheel Krager mags gasser. Yeah, we get over there. I got a Roadster 23 T-bucket, dual carbs, dual Edelbrock 4s, 4 barrels. We'll come back. Let's go up this row here. As you see, the sun's getting lower this time of the year. It's kind of bright. The sun's dead on. So let's see what we can see. Maybe we'll go over here first and come back that side. Look at that, 33, 34, 3-window coupe. Another yellow 56. Oh, I see two. Another yellow 56. I think Dave Walters is in the house. 2 weeks back to back. Way to go, Dave. We'll see. And there's Operation Zero, Ground Zero right there. The raffles, get your raffle tickets, raffle prizes, trophies. We'll take a breeze by there. But look at this, rocking in 54. Look at that coupe, no post. My aunt had one of these when I was a kid. I remember. Look at that, wide whites. Isn't that sweet? And I got a 68 Camaro, 57 four-door sedan. Wide whites and no post. And let's see what we got over here. 40 Ford. Hey. Look at this. Bobby Edom's made it with his Chevrolet. Just saw the post just recently where Kat was posing alongside the car. Well, wasn't posing, but a picture of her in the car. That'd be just yesterday I saw it. Then we got another 40 Ford. Yeah. We got a coupe. We got a Jeep. We got an old Chevy truck. Oh yeah, look at this. I think I know. Look at that. Jeff and Jeannie, I believe. 351, 55 post, 110. Look at that. Looks like original 260 cubic inch V8 TW's 5.5. A Mustang, a little resto mod, updated motor. Probably a lot of updates on this. Got another Fender's Chevrolet, I believe. And of course, a Chevy truck, black over orange with flames separating the colors. Let's see what else we got. Look at that, huh? T-bucket, a deuce coupe. Yeah. Yeah, I thought that was you, Jeff.
I'm showing my bottom off.
Oh, cool. I saw the car. I said, that's either Jeff and Jeannie's car, if I'm wrong. And it was. How about that?
How you doing today?
Good. I'm fine. Yourself? He's showing that bottle off. Let's see it again.
Right there.
Hillabank. Wow. Man, what a trophy that is, huh?
Isn't that pretty cool?
Yeah, very unique. You're not ever going to uncork that, right?
No, we're not.
Bobby!
How you
Bobby,
doing,
you're
buddy?
all the way in
Good
from
seeing
Placentia.
you.
Good seeing you, yeah. All right, let's move it on and see what else we got here. 6-pack. Ranchero, El Camino, Monte Carlo. Another Chevrolet Holiday. 65. We got a Sadler rim. Look at this. Look at that. Real hot and rod. That truck over there, huh? Beautiful Southern California day. We had a Santa Ana wind blowing. Temperatures are up, making a mess, so making it pretty dusty. And we got Dan Tavione in his Any Doubt truck. We got Big Mike. They're talking stuff. And we got over here, we got Dave Walters. He's rolling dice on the mirror 2 weeks in a row. What up with that? Hey, Dave.
Hey, Dano.
Good. 2 weeks in a row. That's pretty dang awesome.
Yeah. Hoping for 100 tonight.
Yeah, we were close. I've seen a couple guys that have a couple cars are bringing them both. So, yeah. Seeing that where it's parked, it seemed like that was where it was parked last week. So did you actually move it? I think you left it there all week. Look at that.
Pictures for you. I'll give you later.
All right. Thank you, Dave. Cool. And we got Muskie GT. Deborah and Muskie. Mike Muscarella. And he's got his cool Schwinn Stingray 5-speed. Real hot rod. It got pedals. And it's got gears. Yeah. Oh, Ed Arango just popping in with that Corvette. Let's take a look over who we got here. We got another awesome 71. Oh, Big Mike. It's got a Chevelle this week. Yeah. Got it out of the shop. It's ready to go. It's over there. Cool. Look at that. Then we got, wow, Larry Reinhardt's in the house too. Oh, wow. Look at this, the Gardners. Kathy brought her 32 V8. And Gary brought his 32 V8. Look at that. It's little Deuce coupe and Mama's drop top. Mama's gone topless. Yeah. Oh, wow, look at this. The McGraths, Dennis and Jenny sporting their Mach 1s. How cool is that? Look at Ed Arango.
How are ya?
Yeah, Ed, hey.
Good thing
I
I
saw
sent
you.
you that message.
Yeah, good thing, huh? Yeah, look at that. I saw you go by me. Got the number 7. Look at that racing Corvette right there. Good, you made it, Ed.
Yeah.
It's gonna be it's a nice night, you know, a little windy, but it's warm.
Yeah, no, it'll be warm.
What did Gary just tell you? What number you were?
They gave me a little sticker and put it on my window.
Okay. Cool. Whoa, the big Leoris! Look at this, Stevie O and Steven, father and sons doing car show. What up, Stevie O? What's up, Steve? Cool. Look at that. Got the Hot 63 with the IROC wheels, rolling it on in. Yeah. I think we might hit 100. Yeah. How cool is that? Got side pipes, disc wheels. Yeah. Of course, a real hot rod. Look at that. Muncie transmission, 4 speeds. Pull up on the shifter to find your reverse. Pull it towards you and push it up. Surf City Classics in the house. Oops. HP Car Club in the house. You're fine. Who we got over here? Yeah. This is about the only time a Ford and Chevy can coexist, huh?
Yeah. Look at the emblem on the side of it.
Let's see here. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. This is pretty cool. Old school dash. Get your kicks on 66. I love Big Bear, Cabins for Less, In-N-Out Burger. Yeah, it's like my kind of truck.
That's nice.
There you have it. Ford truck, Chevy panel. That's about it. We'll be back for more later. Dano reporting live. Dano live. We're here. From where? Really?
Missouri.
Missouri? What goes on in Missouri? I'm Dano. Hello. And you are?
Rose.
Rose from Missouri.
From
Cool.
Australia, really.
Yeah.
We drove this from Missouri.
Did you drive it all the way? Yeah? Wow. I think you should get, if there was a long distance award, you should get the long distance award.
Good.
Yeah. Well, cool. Welcome in. Yeah. Cool. Rose from Missouri and her 54?
52.
52. Ah, I'm off 2 years. What's 2 years, right? There you have it. Dano Live, HB Car Culture here at North OC Car Guys, Carl's Jr. Tuesday night show. Reporting live, aka Surf City Dano. We are out.